Hello. Kekunumere. We are here again to learn Igbo language. Today we're going to look at Nochiaha. Nochiaha. Nochiaha means pronoun. Now, we already know that pronouns are words we use to replace a noun in a sentence. So, let's take a look at the examples of pronouns in Igbo. I, he, o or o, she, o or o, it, o or o, we, anyị, they, ha, you, singular you, I, you, plural you, unu. Okay, let's make sentences with them. Now, to make sentences with pronouns, we will use them to replace names or nouns in sentences. It's that simple. So let's go. Nnaga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Nnaga ụlọ akwụkwọ. I am going to school. Ọ na-agụ akwụkwọ. Ọ na-agụ akwụkwọ. He is reading. Anyị ga-agba egwu. Anyị ga-agba egwu. We will dance. Unu na-agba mgba. Unu na-agba mgba. You are wrestling. Ha agaghị asụ akwa. Ha agaghị asụ akwa. They will not wash clothes. Irighị nri. Irighị nri. You did not eat. So these are a few examples we can make with pronouns in sentences. Now you go and do some work. So use these pronouns to make sentences in Igbo. O, anyị, ha, I. Now this is your work. You go home, write it, practice until you get better. Daalụnụ.